Welcome to our channel Suresh Fruity, where we bring you the best information and value-packed videos. Today, we're going to talk about something every content creator needs: copyright-free images in the form of PNGs. We know how important it is to have high-quality visuals for your social media posts, websites, and presentations. That's why we've scoured the internet to bring you the top 5 best PNG websites for free to download copyright images. At number 5 on our list is PNG.com. This website offers a variety of categories including animals, food, and technology. You can even search for specific PNG images using their search bar, making it easier to find whatever you're looking for. Coming in at number 4 is PNG Tree. Not only does this website have an extensive library of PNG images, but they also offer PSD files, vectors, and background images. Their website is user-friendly and easy to navigate. Number 3 on our list is Clean PNG. This website is perfect for finding transparent PNGs with a clean and minimalistic look. Their images are categorized in a user-friendly manner, making it easy to find what you need. At number 2 is Free PNG. This website has over 80,000 PNG images available for free download. They have a wide variety of categories, including holidays and seasonal PNGs. Their images are high quality and perfect for your content creating needs. And finally, at the top of our list is PNG Mart. This website offers thousands of PNG images, including many clip art images that are perfect for any project. The images are arranged in a manner that makes it easy to find whatever you're looking for. So, there you have it, folks, the top 5 best PNG websites for free to download copyright images. We hope this video helps you find the perfect images for your content creating needs. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable content.